The Tambora eruption took place in April 1815 on the Indonesian island of Sumbawa. It is considered the most powerful volcanic eruption in recorded history. It was a colossal eruption that ejected a huge amount of ash, rock and volcanic gases into the atmosphere. The eruption was devastating, with tens of thousands of people dying directly as a result of the eruption and its immediate aftermath, as well as causing widespread crop failures and climate change in various parts of the world. The eruption was so massive that it ejected some 160 to 170 cubic kilometers material into the atmosphere. The eruption column reached heights of about 43 kilometers, and the amount of volcanic ash and gases in the atmosphere led to a year without a summer in 1816. This event caused global climate anomalies, leading to extreme weather conditions and crop failures.